Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a beautiful, terrific Tuesday with me, Sweet Bobby. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow friends. We got Avi, we've got Chain, we got DB, Dwayne, Hot Rod, Hal, Izzy, Jim, Mo, Rick, Stacy, VC, and Vicky with a Y. Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're doing well. And the market's a little bit down today. That's unusual, right? We haven't been seeing a lot of that lately. So the E-mini S&P is down 0.38%, down 23 points, going down, 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 down. VWAP is going down, and the hourly mid-band is creeping down as well. VIX is into the 14 handle, which is a little bit down from yesterday, and the AD is a wickedly low, negative 250. Looks like about average volume. NQ is a little bit better than the E-minis, down 0.27%, down 58.75 points, and going in the same direction. Let's look at our big green monster for the day. Big green monster is peeling over, and we are overbought for the fair value zone below in the E-minis, which would mean that we are due to fill this little gap here and maybe go to the 59.27. We shall see. And NQ is oversold for the fair value zone above, but at the same time, it has some gaps that it may want to fill. So they kind of both look about the same to me, really. But the point of control is up here with the NQ, which is important, which may help stabilize it and could see some rather big moves to the upside since the point of control is already here. And that kind of serves as a little bit of support. Let's look at the linear regression. We are in a period of what appears to be consolidation after a run higher, and it looks like we are now in the consolidation phase. I will probably wait a couple days before I draw my consolidation channel, but the overall outlook is still rosy and up, 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 and away. Let's look at our little account today. I'll tell you what, this TML cannot catch a break, can it? Look at this TML thing. I mean, this thing just keeps going down and down and down and down and down and down and down. And we popped up a little bit there, but now it's back down again. This thing is down what is that saying? No, that's not what it is on the day. I don't know, but it looks like it's really just a thing. And this you would think would start going up now that rates are coming down, right? The inverse relationship with bonds, but I have no idea why bonds and bond funds behave as they do. This is a triple leverage bond fund, and it is getting crushed, baby. Crush, baby, crush. So is that down 4% on the day? Down 3.97% on the day? I think it is. Let's go over here and type it in over here and see if we can see. Let's see. TMF is down. Yeah, look at that, 4% on the day. So that's hurting our positions. If we look at our positions, our TMF is down $98. Now, we're much farther down with our TQQs, but that's because this is like 80% of our portfolio, and the TMF is only making up just a little bit of our portfolio. I think what, about 9 point something percent. It's not a lot. So good. But it goes back to what we like to see in TMF. Remember, we are using this SMA monthly with TMF as well. Let's see. And this is why we're allocating less to it. Can y'all believe it's been 7 days since I made a change to my strategy? Can't believe that. So look, TMF is below its 10 monthly moving average, which means we allocate less to it, right? And let's also look at the 10 and 20 exponential moving averages of TMF. And we use this as well. Zoom in there. The 10 is below the 20. So we're actually only allocating like, what is it, 9% or so? Let's see what this thing says. Let's see, the calculator about right now, this is yes, yes, and the VIX is the 14. So we're allocating now 80% to TQQQ, 6% to TMF, and 14% to cash. So we're only doing 6% to that, which is kind of cool, baby. That's what I kind of like. Now let's look at our hedge and see how our hedge is doing for the day. Yesterday, our hedge was about 55,000, not not including our TQQQ. Let's see what happens today when we move this to today. It goes from 55,000 to 50,000. So we've got a $50,000 hedge, but let's add in our TQQ positions and see what that looks like. So now we've got a 32, but this needs to be changed to 60. There. So we got about a $38,000 hedge. And I'll tell you, I'm thinking that, like we try to do this and keep our hedges going and all this, it may just be easier ever so often just to buy a 3-5 hedge in this thing and just kind of keep it going, just kind of prop it up. Let's see what uh, our orders are doing. We've got some activity here. So we do have some working orders. Let's see, 55 to 20, 35 to 20, 50 to 20. Wow, that looks really good. Let's see. Make sure that's all we've got going on. Yeah, that looks really good. So we've got some really strong hedges now. So we could probably like sell 3 more and start another tranche. But I don't know. I kind of like what I'm doing. Just every now and then when you need one, just buy one. So I kind of like this. Really cool. All right, y'all. That's all I got for today. Not much to do until we rebalance again on the 1st. Let's see when the first trading day of December is. Let's see. Where's my calendar? Dang it. Where's my dang calendar? Calendar, December the 1st. We will redo this on December the 2nd, baby. So y'all have a great, great day. Rest of your day. I love you to pieces, and we will see you tomorrow.